Go on, show the technique, darling, how you do it. Well done, you. She knows how to jig for mackerel. It's quiet, but we're having a lovely time. And the girl has sussed out the mackerel plonking technique. Well, she had one on and lost it, but it was I think it was a pollock on the reef. But yeah, it's been fun, so it's been nice to get out. My girl.